Peeps, I have been one of those persons who has on many occasions defended the country's justice system, saying that even though it is far from being the best justice system in the world, it is also far from being the worst. And it would be unfair of me to sit here and to suggest that there has not been strides to improve things in recent times. But the reality is that in many instances, enough still has not been done. And so, oftentimes, criminals still take the justice system for fun. Case in point, there is currently a law on the books where if you make a false declaration to custom, the fine is 10 days in jail or $100 fine. And peeps, I must say that that fine is actually worse than the crime.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Oftentimes we as people chastise the police, chastise the director of public prosecution, and chastise our judges, saying that some ruling no make no sense and only rich people the law is for and all sort of things. When the reality is that there's so much that the police and the office of the DPP and the judges in the justice system can do, because they have to operate within the confines and the auspices of the laws as are created by our lawmakers, which are our politicians. This $100 fine was placed under the microscope in 2017 when one Tesha Miller was arrested and charged after making false declaration to immigration officials at the Norman Manley International Airport, where he signed his name as MW, purported to represent Marlon Williams. He was subsequently arrested and charged for breaches of the Immigrations Act. And when he appeared in court on the 17th of April 2017, the fine was a whopping 100 Jamaican dollars or 10 days in prison. Today is the 27th of March 2020, almost exactly 3 years to the day that this ruling was handed down. And as you can imagine, it brought some amount of embarrassment to our lawmakers. And so, this triggered discussions in light of getting the laws amended. Now, almost 3 years on, we are now faced with another situation where another high-profile member of the Jamaican society, entertainer O'Neil Bryan, more popularly known as Elephant Man, who was charged recently for making false declaration to immigration officials after he landed at the Sanchez International Airport en route from Europe recently. Allegations are that Elephant Man failed to place on his declaration form that he had visited Germany, one of the countries that have been badly affected by the COVID-19 global pandemic. He is scheduled to appear in the Corporate Area Resident Magistrates Court on the 15th of April, at which time, should he be found guilty, the fine would still be in the region of 10 days in prison or 100 Jamaican dollars. A fine which, in my opinion, is farcical, is ridiculous, is absurd, and is an indictment on our politicians. Our politicians who go to Garden House on a regular basis to war with each other. How many times have we seen clips which shows our parliamentarians descending in absolute chaos, hurling disrespectful remarks at each other? When there are some laws on the books that are benefiting the crooks, when in a relatively short space of time, many of these laws with archaic fines and antiquated penalties from medieval times can be amended. Yet, many times our politicians come and say that they are strident in trying to fix the justice system and to fight crime, when prosecutors and judges and police officers have slim pickings to work with. As one of my very good friends often say, Teach, You know, the justice system is set up in such a way where it is more beneficial to criminals than to law-abiding citizens. Serious food for thought.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.